Hallo, schönen guten Tag. Wir sind hier auf der Productronica 2015 und am Stand der EPP kann ich jetzt Labib Feidy begrüßen vom Business Development bei MCD Elektronik. Hallo. Mr. Feidy, what news will you be announcing or MCD will be announcing at this year's fair?
One of the products we will be announcing is the mobile device, handheld device, testing the exhaust of a car, meaning the engineer can actually go into the production area, connect this mobile device onto his exhaust and check whether the flap is opening and closing correctly for emission purposes. This is also a handheld device with a 4.3-inch LCD touchscreen where you can monitor your data and your measurements, and also you have a pass-fail monitor, which lets you know whether or not this is a flap that's proceeding with a positive result or a negative result. The second, we have quite a couple, but the two important ones, the second one was developed for a head unit. It's an automatic function test for the automotive industry. Okay. This test system has been developed for simultaneous testing of 4 devices. Bluetooth, GPS, Wi-Fi components, AM, FM, tuner, DAB, basically enabling the customer to realize a broad range of measurement systems asynchronously for each device. These have been highly requested and demanded by customers in the industry, and we're hoping to expand this field in order to maximize profit with this new product.
So what specific target groups are you focusing on with these products?
Our biggest target group is usually the automotive industry, but also the medical industry is growing due to the lifespan of the product, 6 to 7 years, but typically also household appliance, quality technology, sensor, aircraft, and also defense in the military, but only defense, yes.
And what kind of developments or trends do you see in the market at the moment?
Many. First of all, electro cars. That's a booming trend. They think they're estimating up to 2 million, 2.5 million electro cars sold in the next couple of years in Germany. Different forms of power, hydropower, solar power, wind power. Of course, Industry 4.0. Connection of everything via a smart factory. These are probably the challenges, I will call them, for the future that people will have to cope with.
Do you think that there will be a bigger demand for your products because of these trends?
I'm sure it will help, yes, I'm sure it will help. It's going to take a while for it to find its place in the industry, but I believe once we get there it will be quite successful for us, yes.
And are there any developments that you would predict for 2016?
Our personal developments are more expansion oriented, meaning personally developing international teams in Hungary, in Eastern Europe, for our customers there, and also in Shanghai. And this is basically the expansion where we want to eventually allocate resources, set up international teams that deal with the customers on site without having anyone from Germany be affiliated, and eventually moving production for resource allocation and cost saving.
So Mr. Feidy, thank you very much and have a nice fair.
Thanks so much. Thank you.